Bonjour et bienvenue à notre chaîne Learn French with Shweta. Today, we're exploring the phrase bonjour. It's a versatile greeting, a go-to phrase anytime. Bonjour, a phrase can use any time of the day. Our focus is comment ça va? Translating to how are you, Ishikos in English. It's important as it's a common courtesy. It's effective to initiate a so when starting in French. Use comment ça va? It's a great way to kindle a dialogue. Shifting focus to phrase number 4, s'il vous plaît, which translates to if it pleases you. It's used commonly as please in French. Including in your request shows respect. It's a straightforward method to demonstrate respect and thoughtfulness towards others. Today, we introduce two vital French phrases, excusez-moi and je ne comprends pas. The former, excuse me, the latter, I don't understand. These phrases are not only to communication, but also convey towards your conversation partner. If you need someone to repeat something, simply say, pouvez-vous répéter s'il vous plaît? Is a way of requesting. Oui, yes, non means no. Use these accordingly. So remember, pouvez-vous répéter s'il vous plaît? Plaît? When you need repetition and respond with oui or non. These simple phrases are your first steps towards mastering French. Let's take a moment to revisit the 10 phrases we've learned today. Comment ça va? Ça va, merci. S'il vous plaît, merci, excusez-moi, je ne comprends pas. Pas? Pouvez-vous s'il vous plaît? Oui. Before we part, leave you with au revoir, meaning goodbye. À bientôt. See you soon. If you're interested in fast learning experience, make sure to watch the full video on my channel. Don't miss out on this opportunity to accelerate your learning there.